Hello children. In my last video, we discussed about top 10 technologies in this year. In that, the first position in our list was artificial intelligence. So today we are going to discuss about the basic concept of artificial intelligence. This video sums up the perception of artificial intelligence for most of us. But in present period, there is no risk of being destroyed by machines. However, the tech tycoon Elon Musk quotes that artificial intelligence is the fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization. Now, whether artificial intelligence is a threat or not is debatable. So, now let me introduce you to artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence first coined decades ago in the year 1956 by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. He defined that artificial intelligence as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. In a sense, artificial intelligence is a technique of getting machines to work and behave like humans. In the recent past, artificial intelligence has been able to accomplish this by creating machines and robots. There have been wide range of fields including healthcare, robotics, marketing, business analytics and many more. However, many artificial intelligence applications are not perceived as artificial intelligence because we often tend to think of artificial intelligence as robotics doing our daily course. But the truth is, artificial intelligence has found its way into our daily life. It has become so general that we don't realize we use it all the time. For instance, we ever wondered how Google is able to give you such accurate search result, or how your Facebook feeds always give you content based your interest? The answer to these questions is artificial intelligence. Let me clear very common misconception. People often tend to think that artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning are the same since they have common applications. For example, Siri is an application of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So how all these technologies are related? Artificial intelligence is the science of getting machines to mimic the behavior of humans. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses to getting machines to make decisions by feeding them data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses the concept of neural networks to solve complex problems. So to sum it up, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning are interconnected fields. Machine learning and deep learning aids artificial intelligence by providing a set of algorithms and neural networks to solve data-driven problems. However, artificial intelligence is not restricted to only machine language and deep learning. It covers a vast domain of fields including object detection, natural language processing, expert system, robotics and so on. Now, artificial intelligence can be structured along with three evolutionary stages, or you can say that three different types of artificial intelligence. First, we have artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, which is also known as weak AI, involves applying artificial intelligence only to specific tasks. The many currently existing systems that contains to use artificial intelligence are operating as weak AI focused on a narrowly designed specific problem. For example, face verification that you see in your iPhone, autopilot feature at Tesla, the social humanoid of Sophia, which built at Hanson Robotics, and finally we have the optimal path through Google Map. All of these applications are based on the concept of artificial narrow intelligence. Now let's take a look at artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence is also known as a strong AI. It involves machines that possess the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can. You see, machines don't possess human like abilities. They have a strong processing unit that can perform high level competitions, but they are not yet capable to think and reasoning like humans. There are many experts who doubts that artificial general intelligence will ever be possible, and there are also many who question whether it should be desirable. I'm sure all of you have heard about Stephen Hawking. He said that strong artificial intelligence would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever increasing rate. Humans who can limited by slow biological evolutions could not compete and would be superseded. Coming to artificial superintelligence, this is a term that refers to the time when the capabilities of computers will surpass human beings. It is presently seen in the hypothetical situations as depicted in movies and science fiction books, which machines will take over the world. However, the tech masterminds believes that artificial superintelligence will take over the world by the year 2040. Okay, now let's take a look at how artificial intelligence is used in the real world. From spotting an 8-planet solar system, which is 2500 light years away, to composing sonnets and poems, the application of artificial intelligence covered all possible domains in the market. In the finance sector, JP Morgan Chase's contract intelligence platform uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and image recognition software to analyze legal documents and extract important data points and clauses in a matter of seconds. Now, manually reviewing 12,000 agreements take over 36,000 hours, but artificial intelligence is able to do this in a matter of seconds. Coming to healthcare, IBM is one of the pioneers that has developed artificial intelligence software specifically for medicine. More than 250 healthcare organizations worldwide uses IBM Watson technology. In 2016, IBM Watson artificial intelligence technology was able to cross-reference 20 million oncology records and currently diagnose rare leukemia conditions in a patient. Coming to the next application, Google's AI Eye Doctor is another initiative taken by Google. Google's AI Doctor can examine retina, scans and identify a condition called diabetic retinopathy, which causes blindness. Coming to the social media platforms like Facebook, artificial intelligence is used for face verification, uses machine learning and deep learning to detect facial features and tag to your friends. Another such example like Twitter's AI, which is being used to identify hate speech and terroristic languages in tweets. It makes use of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to filter out offensive contents. The company discovered and banned many terrorist linking accounts, 95% of which were found by non-human artificially intelligent machines. The Google Predictive Search is one of the most famous artificial intelligent application. When you type a search term, Google will make recommendations for you to choose from. That is artificial intelligence in action. Predictive search are based on data that Google collects about you, such as your location, age, and other personal details. By using artificial intelligence, the search engine attempts to guess what you might be trying to find. Next, we have virtual assistants. It is like Siri, Alexa, etc. are examples of artificial intelligence. The newly released Google's virtual assistant called Google Duplex cannot only respond to calls and book appointments for you, it acts like human touch. Now, another famous application in artificial intelligence is self-driving cars. Artificial intelligence implements computer vision, image detection, and deep learning to build cars that can automatically detect objects and drive around without human intervention. Tesla is accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy with electric cars, solar, and integrated renewable. Elon Musk, an industrial designer, a technology entrepreneur, moreover CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. SpaceX is a company which manufactured and launches advanced rockets and spacecraft. His CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla will have fully self-driving cars ready by the end of 2020 and a robo-taxi version, one that can ferry passengers without anyone behind the wheel, ready for a street next year. Since the emergence of artificial intelligence 1950s, we have seen exponential growth in its potential. Artificial intelligence covers domains such as machine learning, deep learning, expert system, knowledge-based expert system, computer vision, natural language processing, and so on. As artificial intelligence is branching out into every aspect of our lives, is it possible that one day artificial intelligence might take over our lives? And if a day is possible, how long will this take? While it may be sooner than you think, it is estimated that artificial intelligence will take over the world within the next 30 years. So that's all from my side. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you.